Anyone else having issues with Tekken 8 crashing whenever you try to load into a ranked match?
Now let's get on to the solution. Several players have encountered similar issues, but there is a workaround that seems to effectively address the problem. Firstly, for those using Steam, adding the command full screen to the game's launch options can initiate a smoother startup. Furthermore, users on Windows 10 or Windows 11 have found additional steps beneficial for ensuring game stability. Specifically, navigating to the game's installation folder, right-clicking on the tekken8.exe file, selecting properties, and then adjusting the compatibility to Windows 8 along with checking the Run as Administrator option can make a significant difference. This same process should be repeated for the Polaris-Win64-shipping.exe found within the /tekken8/polaris/binaries/win64 directory. Applying these settings has not only allowed for successful game launches but also enabled stable online matches, arcade runs, story chapters, and extensive training sessions without any crashes. While it might seem unconventional, these adjustments have proven to be an effective solution for enhancing game performance and stability, offering hope for players facing the persistent issues. So, if you wanna try, you can try that. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.